Excitement is building at the Guyana Space Center. Europe is about to launch its powerful new rocket. The Ariane 6 is set to blast off on March 3rd, 2025. This is only its second launch, but it's the first commercial mission for the Ariane 6. It marks a new era for Europe's space program. The Ariane 6 is a heavy-lift rocket. It's designed to carry large payloads into orbit. This launch is critical for Europe. It shows that Europe can reach space on its own. Europe previously relied on Russia's Soyuz rockets, but that cooperation ended because of the war in Ukraine. The Ariane 6 is a symbol of European innovation. It's also a sign of European cooperation. The rocket is built by a consortium of European companies. It's operated by Ariane Space on behalf of the European Space Agency. This launch is a testament to what Europe can achieve by working together. The Ariane 6 is more than just a rocket. It represents Europe's ambition to be a leader in space. This launch is a major step towards achieving that goal. The world will be watching as the Ariane 6 lights up the sky. It's a new era for European spaceflight. The Ariane 6 won't be going into space alone. It carries a precious payload, the CSO-3 satellite. This satellite is a powerful tool for France. It will provide valuable intelligence to the French military. CSO-3 is a spy satellite. It's designed to take high-resolution images of Earth. These images will be used for a variety of purposes. France will use them to track military activities. They can also be used to monitor natural disasters. The CSO-3 is part of a larger program called MUSIS. MUSIS stands for Multinational Space-Based Imaging System. The program is led by France, but it also involves other European countries. Some images from CSO-3 will be shared with Germany, Belgium and Sweden. The CSO-3 is a very sophisticated satellite. It uses advanced optics and sensors. These allow it to take incredibly detailed images. The satellite can even see through clouds. This makes it a valuable asset for intelligence gathering. The launch of CSO-3 is a major boost for European defense. It gives Europe its own independent intelligence gathering capability. This is essential in today's uncertain world. The Ariane 6 rocket is a marvel of engineering, but its development has not been without challenges. The project has faced delays and setbacks, yet through perseverance, European engineers have overcome these obstacles. The Ariane 6 program began in 2014. It was conceived as a successor to the successful Ariane 5 rocket. The goal was to create a more versatile and cost-effective launcher. This would secure Europe's access to space. The first test launch of Ariane 6 was in July 2024. The launch was mostly successful. However, there were issues with the upper stage engine. This meant the experimental re-entry capsules couldn't be deployed. The second launch, carrying CSO-3, was originally planned for late 2024. However, it was delayed to address the engine issue. Further delays were caused by problems transporting the CSO-3 satellite to the launch site. Despite these challenges, the Ariane 6 team has remained committed to the project. They have worked tirelessly to resolve technical issues. The team has also had to adapt to changing circumstances. The launch of Ariane 6 is about more than just one rocket. It represents Europe's determination to be a major player in space. Europe has a long and storied history in space exploration, and this launch shows that Europe is still committed to pushing the boundaries. Europe is not alone in space. Other nations like the United States and China also have ambitious space programs, but Europe brings its own unique strengths to the table. Europe has a strong tradition of international cooperation in space. This is evident in the Ariane 6 program, which involves many different European countries. Europe is also a leader in developing new space technologies. The launch of Ariane 6 is a statement. It says that Europe is here to stay in space. It's a signal that Europe will continue to play a leading role in exploring the cosmos. This is an exciting time for European space exploration, and the future looks bright for Europe among the stars.